Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and use the scanner station alongside with all of its filters. So to begin, we'll go through how to get the blueprint for the scanner station and all of the filters. So first of all, you'll need to go to the old habitat, which is going to be located northeast, about 300 meters from the life pod. Once you're at the old habitat, here you'll want to enter through this building, through this room, which has an opening on the bottom, and here you want to go straight ahead. Here is going to be the first filter inside of the screen, which is going to allow you to scan the bloom infections around you. Now for the next fragment and filter, it is going to be also located at the old habitat. You want to go to the right side, to the left, and here through this ladder and through this hole, here you'll find the blueprint for the scanner station. So you can go ahead and scan it, and on this table you'll find a filter which is going to allow you to scan Subnautica debris locations. So these are two filters, and you already have the scanner station, and there's one last filter which is located in the Subnautica wreck of the lander garage. To get to it, you want to go to the east side, like I'm going here. You'll find this Altera wreck, in which you'll find another scanner station blueprint fragment which you can scan. As you can see, it is going to look like this, and it is going to be located around 340 meters towards northeast from the life pod. To enter it, you want to go from the bottom. Here you'll see a giant door which you can go through. You want to go to this side, and also you'll need the repair tool for this door, which you'll need to repair just like this. And once you've repaired it, you need to go through, and inside of here you should find the anomaly recipe. This is another filter for the scanner station, which is going to unlock the scanning of biohacking chambers. The biohacking chambers are going to allow you to expand your inventory, which are going to be found inside of like stations or old kind of bases of the pioneers. And once you've gathered the filters and the scanner station blueprint, you want to go to your base where you'll go ahead and craft it. So once we've arrived at the base, you'll need also a habitat builder to build the scanner station. You can find the scanner station inside of interior facilities, and scrolling down, and inside of habitat systems. You'll need a system chip, wiring kit, and titanium. Titanium can be found on some rock formations inside of every single biome. And now to make the wiring kit, you'll need silver and copper wire. Silver can be also found inside of caves. Copper wire, which is made from 2 copper. Copper is also found inside of caves on the ceiling. Also the silver, you'll need to go a little bit further than the beginning biome to find it. It is not going to be that hard, so make sure to check out my tutorial how to get it. And now you can make the wiring kit. Also you'll need the system chip, which is also going to require the wiring kit. So you'll need 2 of these, and quartz can be found inside of coral domes, just like this one. So once you've made the system chip wiring kit and gathered 3 times titanium, you can place the scanner station down. And once it's done, you'll just want to click on this panel right here to use it. As you can see, our range is 300 meters, and currently in the early access, there is no way to expand this range. And here you can find all of the list materials. And as you can see, the filters gave us the option to search for anomaly, bloom infestation, biohacking chamber, and Subnautica debris. So we can choose, let's say, the biohacking chamber, and to use it, it is going to show you all of these signals, these dots, and if you click on one of these dots, it is going to toggle this signal. And as you can see, it is going to show you on your HUD. You can see biohacking chamber. You can also search for other materials like titanium. Once again, click on the dot and you can see it is showing the titanium. You can only choose one dot, one location per time, but this is plenty. And this is pretty much all. How to use the scanner station in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.